Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily add friends in Discord mobile in different methods. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Since we're going to be using the Discord app, of course, we're going to make sure the app is updated, or at least we have a new version for everything to run smoothly in the process. Once we get that done, let's quit now and open Discord. Of course, have to be logged into your Discord account, obviously, and then from here let's go ahead and first, if you want to add people from one server, choose the server that you want to add people from, and again choose the channel that the people you want to add are in. Let's say I want to choose this one. If I want to add this user, as you can see guys, I can just tap on their profile picture. That takes me to their profile, and then I can tap on add friend just like that. Now that's how can I add someone from a channel or from a server. If I want to add friends some other way, I'll show you guys in a second. Now we quit from here and then we open our profile now. So tap on your profile picture in the bottom left. Within our profile, we need to go ahead and open our friends list. So go ahead and tap on friends. As you can see, I have no friends here, but if I want to add friends to this place, I can tap on add friends in the bottom. I can accept the requests that I have received in the bottom part of the screen right here, or I can even delete the requests right there. Now basically that's where you can accept friends, not really add them. If you want to add them, you can tap on find your friends. Here you can sync your contacts with Discord so that people in your contacts will be found here and you can add them. That means probably people you'll be able to recognize in this page. And then you can tap on add by username, which is basically the most basic and straightforward method. You just type in their username and then they pop up, and tap on send friend request, and once they accept you, you become friends with them on Discord. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.